Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 air manifold bolts. If the air valve does not require service, leave the air valve attached to the manifold. Inspect and replace manifold gaskets if necessary. Using a 10mm socket, remove the mounting bracket. Using a 13mm wrench, loosen and remove the air cover bolts from both sides. Separate the 2 air covers and pull the piston from the cylinder and remove the O-ring from the piston. Remove the cylinder, inspect the air cover O-rings, and remove and replace if necessary. Remove the U-cups and bearings from the air plates.